नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पेज नंबर 7 1.3 द वाईल्ड बोअर अँड द फॉक्स या पाठाचे वाचन बघणार आहोत. 1.3 द वाईल्ड बोअर अँड द फॉक्स. One day a wild boar was sharpening his tusks against the bark of a tree. He was doing it very carefully. There lived a fox in the same forest. He was always looking for a chance to make fun of other animals in the forest. When he saw the wild boar, he decided to tease him. He began to walk around the trees, looking left and right and up and down. He also began to act as if he was really scared. But the boar did not pay any attention to him. He kept right on with his work. At last, the fox said with a grin, "Why are you doing that? I tried very hard, but I did not see any hidden enemy or danger." "True," replied the boar. "Just now there may not be any danger, but when it really comes, there won't be any time to sharpen my tusks. My weapons have to be ready for use then. If I am not ready, I will have to suffer." This story tells us that it is the best to be prepared. Don't leave things to be done at the last minute.